Greetings. Hi viewers, I welcome you to my YouTube channel English to English. In this video, I am going to talk about adjectives 3 comparison of adjectives. Before going to this video, I request you to press subscribe button. Comparison of adjectives. Formation of comparative and superlative degree. There are two ways of forming degrees of comparison by adding er and est to the positive and by using more and most before the positive. A detailed classification of the ways of forming degrees of comparison is given below. Number 1. Adjectives of one syllable and a few adjectives of two syllables which do not end in e and er and est to the positive. Example: long, longer, longest; soft, softer, softest; high, higher, highest; young, younger, youngest; clever, cleverer, cleverest; shallow, shallower, shallowest; more shallow, most shallow. Some exceptions will be there. In this tabular column, the adjective words do not end in e. We can add er for comparative and est for superlative. Number 2. When the positive ends in e, only r for comparative and st for superlative are added. Example: large, larger, largest; dense, denser, densest; handsome, handsomer, handsomest; more handsome, most handsome. Some exception adjectives will be there. Pure, purer, purest; true, truer, truest. In this positive adjective words ends with e, we can add r for comparative, st for superlative. Number 3. Adjectives ending in a single consonant, especially d, t, m or n, preceded by a short vowel, double the final consonant before adding er and est. Example: hot, hotter, hottest; slim, slimmer, slimmest; sad, sadder, saddest; thin, thinner, thinnest; dim, dimmer, dimmest; fat, fatter, fattest. Look at the positive adjective word. The word ends with consonant letter. When we change into comparative, we have to double that consonant and add er for comparative and add est for superlative. Number 4. Adjectives ending in y preceded by a consonant, change y into I before adding er and est. Dry, drier, driest; holy, holier, holiest; silly, sillier, silliest; lovely, lovelier, loveliest; jolly, jollier, jolliest. In some adjectives ends with letter y, we can remove the y and add in ier for comparative, iest for superlative. If the y is preceded by a vowel, it is not changed into I. Example: gay, gayer, gayest; grey, grayer, greyest. So the y follows by vowel letter. We no need to change the y into I. As it is, we have to place change into comparative for add er, superlative for est. Number 5. Most adjectives of two syllables and all adjectives of more than one syllable take more and most before them to form the comparative and superlative degrees. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult; honest, more honest, most honest; profound, more profound, most profound; fruitful, more fruitful, most fruitful; splendid, more splendid, most splendid. Comparison of adjectives. Read the following sentences. Sridhar is a tall boy. Suresh is taller than Sridhar. Shyam is the tallest of them all. No comparison in sentence 1. Tall, an adjective is said to be in the positive degree. Comparison is made between Suresh and Sridhar in sentence 2. Taller, an adjective is said to be in the comparative. In the third sentence, an adjective tallest is used to compare more than two persons or things and indicating the highest degree of a quality is said to be in the superlative. Comparison of adjectives. Number 1. Transformation of degrees of comparison. Positive. No other student in the class is as bright as Ruby. Comparative. Ruby is brighter than any other student in the class. Superlative. Ruby is the brightest student in the class. Number 2. Transformation of degrees of comparison. Positive. Very few poets are as popular as Rabindranath Tagore. Comparative. Rabindranath Tagore is more popular than most other poets. Superlative. Rabindranath Tagore is one of the most popular poets. Number 3. Transformation of degrees of comparison. Positive. No other drink is as good as fruit juice. Comparative. Fruit juice is better than any other drink. Superlative. Fruit juice is the best. Number 4. Transformation of degrees of comparison. Positive. Arun's office is not as big as Ramesh's office. Comparative. Ramesh's office is bigger than Arun's office. When in the positive sentence there is the comparison between two nouns, no need to change into superlative. That is not applicable. Number 5. Transformation of degrees of comparison. Positive. Very few languages are as easy as Tamil. Comparative. Tamil is easier than most other languages. Superlative. Tamil is one of the easiest languages. Transformation of degrees of comparison. Number 6. Positive. Rasul is not as intelligent as Rahul. Comparative. Rahul is more intelligent than Rasul. Same. What we have seen in the fourth one. If the sentence positive, there is the comparison between two noun means we no need to change into superlative. That is not applicable. Thank you.